Okay, let's talk quickly about how we can improve the electrical efficiency of light bulbs. Recall from the video you watched a few moments ago that compact fluorescent light bulbs and light-emitting diodes are more efficient than the old incandescent bulbs because they produce less waste heat. This allows them to produce the same intensity of light while drawing less current. So they don't have to draw as much current to make the light bulb just as bright, because they don't have to increase the amount of current to make up for all of that energy being lost as heat. Let's have a couple of examples. First of all, let's consider an old-fashioned 75-watt incandescent bulb. In order to give you a bit of a benchmark how bright that might be, think a desk lamp. All right, well, if we're plugging it in to mains power supply here in Australia, it'll have a voltage of 240 volts. Its power, we have said from its packet, is 75 watts. Now, remember from a moment ago, power is equal to voltage times current. So if we rearrange that, we find that current is equal to power divided by voltage. So that means that the current of this 75-watt incandescent bulb is 75 divided by 240, which is about 0.31 amps. So that means in order to produce that desk lamp kind of intensity, we need to draw a current of 0.31 amps through this light bulb. Meanwhile, if we consider the newer generation compact fluorescent bulb, again, we're plugging it in Australia, so its voltage is 240 volts. Power comes from the packet, apparently 15 watts. And we solve exactly the same equation that we did just a minute ago. Current is equal to power divided by voltage. That means 15 divided by 240, or 0.06 amps. So notice how much smaller the current is in that 15-watt compact fluorescent bulb. So with a much, much smaller current, we can still make a light bulb bright enough that it's a nice desk lamp kind of intensity to work under. Therefore, because the compact fluorescent bulb can produce a similar intensity of light with a much smaller current, we use less electricity to drive the bulb, and therefore it's more efficient.